What's up, guys, and yet another Spyderco. Please don't get sick of me. This is another exclusive, okay, guys? My favorite model of Spyderco PM2, and this is, I believe, a DLT exclusive. Let's take a look at the handles first. Okay. Okay. I would like to take note that on the box, it indicates that it should indicate that it's brown. Okay, this is not tan or brown. Okay, it's a really light tan. I mean, it's almost white. It's almost white. It's not white though. Okay, but it does look nice, trust me. I sound like a broken record, but everything looks nice in person, trust me. If you like Star Wars, this is perfect for you. Why? This is the Stormtrooper. Okay, why? Because we got the nice dark and light contrast. It's a beautiful knife. Okay, DLT trading exclusive. That's the factory clip. Now, why did I buy this one? It's mostly because of the steel. 20 CV. Okay, I live in a tropical environment. Okay, so anything that's corrosion, strong in corrosion, those are the kind of qualities that I prioritize. Okay, some people want to go for toughness or whatever, but along edge retention, I need corrosion resistance. Okay, so 20 CV seemed like a good idea. However, after doing a lot of research, it's funny to find out that this came from 390 basically, and that 204 CPS 204P is basically similar to this. So it seems like I went for a balance of steel qualities here. So the whole knife is, the hardware is all blacked out, which is good. So we're gonna have that two-tone. This is a nice colorway. Okay, it's nice and stylish. If you change the clip, maybe up to you. I would take it off altogether, but it really is a sharp looking knife. And oddly enough, these scales, they don't get dirty. Like you know, you would think that you touch it once and it's going to be fingerprints and, oh, I gotta clean it. No, it's absolutely, actually it doesn't get that dirty. I had a teal one and that got dirty, but anyways, even if it gets dirty, it's easy to clean. It's no big deal. Okay, all right, let's take another close-up of it. Blade is centered. Okay, DLT exclusive. I don't know if it's just me, but I call it the Stormtrooper, even though they never hit their target. But this is a beautiful exclusive. Okay, so if you like this colorway and if you like 20 CV, you like DLC, this is the one for you. All right, thanks for watching.